Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Are you tired of using USB cables to transfer files between your PC and Android? What if I told you there's a way to do it wirelessly, without needing the internet? In this video, I'll show you how to transfer files between your PC and Android in just a few simple steps. Let's get started. First, install FTP Manager Lite on your PC. You'll find the download link in the description. On your Android phone, install the mobile to PC file transfer app. Now, turn on your mobile hotspot, but no need for internet. We're just creating a local network. Open the mobile app. Tap on. I already have one of these FTP clients. Select Mobile Hotspot. You'll see a generated user ID and password. Keep that handy. Now jump over to your PC. Launch FTP Manager Lite. Click on Create Connection Profile, then select Transfer Files between a PC folder and a mobile device. Click Next. Choose your file saving location on your PC. Enter the user ID and password shown on your phone, then click Next. Once the connection is established, you can start copying or moving files between your PC and Android device easily and wirelessly. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech tips. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below.